channel if you're watching this on YouTube. And what's up, IG fam? Another unboxing video. This is my first ever tech unboxing video for a tech which I'm really excited for. Can I explain how I'm really excited for this one? But man, let's get inside. So if you have been following me on Instagram, you would have known by now that it's a tech from Apple fanboy. And first I put up a poll, which is the choice between the new iPhone 12 Pro and the iPad Air 4. And if you saw my post earlier this week, you would have known that it's the new iPad Air 4 with Apple Pencil 2. Now the reason it's in this box is because I ordered it straight from Apple website, Apple education website, got a little discount off the site. Also, I had to get it engraved. Like, I feel that this piece is going to be so crucial in my future work life. And I'm like, nah, let's do it good, let's do it right, have it engraved. Really excited to get into it. Now let's start with the Apple Pencil 2. I've never actually used an iPad before. This is my first time going into it. Let's get the experience in. Now let's get into it. Okay. Got the Apple Pencil 2. Box. Haven't peeled the tab yet. We'll get the boy out of the box first, and then we'll peel the tab together just for the sound. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Got the pencil. Get the iPad out of the box. I mean, the sound, the peel tab is so satisfying. Then, once you slide open, you get all the paperwork. And beneath the paperwork, you get your Apple. Okay. Oh my god. The smell is also the part of the experience, trust me. Side, and now Apple Pencil 2 had it engraved with my initials on it, DKSM, Dave Curran Singh Musical. There's some weight and texture to it, and I like it that it's in matte finish. It looks a lot more classy when it's in matte finish. Got it right here. Now, iPad Air 4 This is the packaging design. They made it pretty neat though. At first, I expect this wallpaper home screen to be a type of a 3D printed, but it's just a normal printed paper, not a 3D print. Would have been a nice little texture to add to the package if it's in 3D. How do I get it out? And then once you popped open the box, and on the inside, see the all new redesigned iPad Air 4 with all screen design, similar to the iPad Pro and the current iPhone lineups. Now this one already had the screen protector on it. I've been using for almost a week now, and it's amazing. Here it is. Let's pick it out. Damn, that's some good build to it. What you expect from Apple? It's pretty light though. Much lighter than I expected. That's what you get for an Air. Okay. I must say the build quality and the materials is awesome. Really love the metallic slash sky blue. Gotta have it engraved too. Broadway exclusive. Turn your visions into reality. That's what I'm gonna use it for mainly, for work and for design, for other graphic work. Okay, let's get into the box of what else is there in the box. Got a big Apple with it. Didn't get an Apple Care for it. Okay, put this to the side, plastic to the side. Put the box right here. Now, designed by Apple and Samsung. Manufactured in China. You still get 2 Apple stickers. They have removed it to 1 Apple sticker, or with AirPod Max, they no longer provide you an Apple sticker. I think that's part of their environmental program. And you still get the 20-watt power brick. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. 20-watt power brick to charge up your iPad Air. One of the few products that you still get the power brick, because they have removed it from various of the products, mainly from the iPhone, for the environmental program, which I truly support, because please stop global warming, like, trust me. It's pretty hot right now, I don't want to get any hotter. So we are all in for Apple. And then you get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. My first product with USB-C, otherwise it's Lightning and micro USB. Okay, pretty standard, 1 meter. Okay. The iPad, yeah, that's about it for the unboxing. I will be having another video write-up to explain the tech inside the hood for the iPad Air 4 and who is it for. Embracing the beauty. Yeah, I'm excited for it. So thank you for watching, and if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to connect with me on Instagram. I'll have it up here, and you can also click the link in the description below and you'll be directed to my Instagram. If you're watching it on IGTV, thank you very much for watching it this far. For both the platform, be sure to like, comment, and let me know what you think of the video and what more you'd like to see from my channel. Feel free to send in your suggestions. Also, share this to at least one person who you think needs to see this video. It really helps. Okay, thank you guys for watching and watching this video. Stay safe, take care, and have a good day. Peace out.